Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a competitive examination question from number system. In a problem involving division, the divisor is 8 times the quotient and 4 times the remainder. If the remainder is 12, then the dividend is. And we can see 4 options are given. So let us try to understand the question first. It is given that the divisor is 8 times the quotient and the divisor is 4 times the remainder. So here we have written the divisor as 8 times quotient and the same divisor is 4 times the remainder. And if the remainder is given in the question as 12, then what is the dividend? So here let us understand the terms now. The dividend is the number which gets divided by the divisor. So for example, if I take the number 7 and I'm going to divide it by 2. So 7 becomes the dividend and 2 becomes the divisor. So 7 can be divided by 2, that is 2 3 times is 6. So here 3 becomes the quotient as we can see, and when we subtract 7 and 6 we get the remainder. So 7 minus 6 gives us 1. So here we have to make a relationship between the dividend, quotient, divisor and remainder. So we have the formula relating all these 4 as dividend is equal to the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. So this is one important formula which you need to remember, because on the basis of this formula only we are going to proceed solving this example. Now once we have got this relationship, we know that divisor is 8 times quotient and divisor is 4 times remainder. So it's the same divisor. So we can equate 8 times quotient to 4 times remainder. So here we have equated 8 times quotient with 4 times remainder. Now let us take 8 on the other side of equal to sign. So quotient will be equal to 4 times the remainder divided by 8. Now we have been given the remainder value as 12. So here we have written 4 times 12 over 8. Now here 4 divides 8, that is 4 1 times is 4 and 4 2 times is 8. And 2 divides 12, that is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 6 times is 12. So here we get the value of quotient as 6. So this is what we are going to plug in this formula now. So taking this same formula over here, that is dividend equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder. Now in place of divisor I have taken 8 times quotient because just now we got the value of quotient over here. You could have taken 4 times remainder as well in the place of divisor, since we have the value of remainder as well. So here anyways we have taken 8 times quotient plus remainder. So here we get 8 times the quotient value is 6 times 6 plus the remainder value is 12. So 8 times 6 gives us 288 plus 12, and adding these two will give us the value of dividend as 300. So let us see if 300 is in the options above. So here our dividend is going to be 300. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.